The pharmacopoeia contains. Sound is audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Description, test, formulas for the preparation, dosage, storage condition, and list of the drugs. Then Indian Pharmacopoeia, it is written in the English. Then official titles of the monograph given in the Latin. It covers 986 monographs. First edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published in 1955 and supplement to the first edition was supplied in the 1960. Means after the 5-year supplement of the first edition of IP is given in 1960. Then second edition of IP was published in the 1966 under the chairmanship of Dr. B. Mukherjee. सेकंड एडिशन जी आहे ती पब्लिश झाली 1966 मध्ये अंडर द चेअरमनशिप ऑफ डॉक्टर बी मुखर्जी. Then official titles of the monographs are given in the English. 274 monographs from the IP 55 and their supplements were deleted. 93 new monographs were added. Supplements to edition was published in 1974. Ashwini, mute yourself. Then 93 new monographs were added. Supplement to this edition was published in 1974. Means for the second edition of IP, supplement is given in 1975. And second edition published in which year? Second edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia published in where sound is audible to all.
Yes, teacher.
1966.
Ma'am.
1966.
1966.
Indian Pharmacopoeia, it is written in the English. English मध्ये आहे. Official titles of the monograph given in the Latin. Monographs चे titles आहेत. They are in the Latin. Monograph means it is a in the pharmacopoeia there is list of the drug. तर एखादा drug च्या related in detail information monograph मध्ये असते. That is monograph. Their dose, their chemical nature related information, their tests, their applications, all the information regarding the drug is in the monograph. Then in Indian Pharmacopoeia, it covers 986 monographs. First edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published in which year?
1960.
1960.
1955. First edition. First edition published in 1955 and their supplement which is published in the 1960 after the 5 year of this publication of the first edition their supplement is provided. Then second edition was published in 1966 under the chairmanship of
Dr.
B.R. Mukherjee.
then the official titles of monographs are given in the English. Monograph म्हणजे drug related in detail information. Then 274 monographs from the IP and 55 are their supplement were deleted. म्हणजे 274 monographs from the IP.
Supplements म्हणजे काय मॅडम?
Supplement means consider like your exam. म्हणजे तुम्हाला एक्झामला मेन पेपर दिला जातो. आफ्टर कम्प्लिशन ऑफ दिस तुम्ही सप्लिमेंट घेता.
पुरवणी
आपण
एक्झॅक्टली
ह्याच्यात काय आहे पण असं सप्लिमेंट म्हणजे काय यात?
इंडिया फर्स्ट एडिशन मध्ये जी इन्फॉर्मेशन दिलेली असते त्या इन्फॉर्मेशन मध्ये आणखीन मॉडिफिकेशन करून जी दिलेली असते दॅट इज ऑल इन्फॉर्मेशन इन द सप्लिमेंट म्हणजे then 274 monographs from the IP and 55 and their supplements were deleted. Here delete केल्या गेल्या. You have to remember total monographs in the IP that is 986. Then 93 new monographs were added. Supplement to this edition was published in the 1975. Second edition ची supplement 1975 मध्ये publish केली. 126 new monographs have been included and 250 monographs have been amended. Means again 126 monographs add केले गेले and 250 monographs have amended. Amended means अंमलात आणले. Again added in the Indian Pharmacopoeia. Then third edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published after the 10 years, right? First, second edition ची supplement कधी आली? In which year? Supplement of the second edition.
1960.
1975. Here the second edition published in 1966, then that supplement in 1975. Then third edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published in 1985 with the 2 volumes and 9 appendices. Before that, third edition, first and second edition. सगळ्यांना समजली आहे? When they are published and their supplement year त्यांचं समजलंय?
Yes, ma'am.
Second edition published under the chairmanship of
Dr.
Dr. B. Mukherjee.
ऋतुजा ढवळे. Are you present?
Madam,
Pawar, read the Indian Pharmacopoeia.
मला एक डाऊट होता.
Before that, read the Indian Pharmacopoeia.